Hi, in this tutorial we'll show you how to stream with OBS to our platform. First, you'll need a capture card to get the reference signal into your computer. Most people that use DaVinci Resolve or Premiere have one video card to send out a signal to their reference monitor over SDI. This is the signal we capture with the capture card and bring back into OBS to stream. Start by adding your capture card as an input source in OBS. Then open Settings and select Stream. Choose Custom and enter the server URL that you've received from us. Next, select Output to adjust the video settings and select Advanced. Set a bitrate at up to 12,000 kilobits per second. We recommend somewhere around 5,000 for a good mix between quality and bandwidth. After that, select Ultra-Fast, Main, and Zero Latency for the compression settings. Save and click Start Streaming. Open up the admin link you also received from us and log in. The easiest way to watch the stream is to click on the Watch link in the interface. You can also watch using our app Pixelview Player for iOS and Apple TV for even better color accuracy and latency. To generate a new link for a new client session, simply choose how long you want the new link to be active and click Generate New Link. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or want us to guide you through the setup.